Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the Modern Wall Street office. And yes, I'm still in the office. I've got to run out of here. I've actually got to get over to the New York Stock Exchange because it's nearly that time. The market's there about to close. It's nearly 4 o'clock. Did the Dow Jones hit 20,000? Honestly, we don't know yet because the markets aren't closed yet. But I'm about to find out. What I do know, however, is that after this report, after the session is through, I'm going out to warm up in New York City with a drink. Why? Because eventually it's going to be happy hour in the Big Apple. Now U.S. stocks trading slightly lower this Wednesday afternoon with healthcare in the red as investors throughout the session continue to wait for the Dow Jones to hopefully reach a major milestone. Now the blue chips index entering the session around 25 points away from hitting 20,000 for the very first time. During yesterday's trading session, it briefly came within 13 points of reaching the mark intraday. The only major economic report released this session, existing home sales for the month of November, which hit 5.61 million units, while earlier, before the market opened, weekly mortgage applications rose 2.5%. Overseas, however, European markets trading mostly lower amid concerns over the stability of the region's banks. Earlier, Monte dei Paschi di Siena, Italy's third largest lender, said it could run out of cash in 4 months, much faster than originally forecast, which was 11 months. Meanwhile, Spanish banks must repay customers more than $4.2 billion after Europe's top court unexpectedly overturned a Spanish ruling that capped liabilities relating to a disputed mortgage clause, posing a new challenge to some lenders. When you team all of this with the holiday season approaching and the slide in crude oil prices, you have yourself a session right behind me with the Dow Jones continuing to inch ever so closer. Slight bit on the downside, slight bit on the upside, approaching the bell towards the 20,000 mark. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have indeed shaped up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. And we conclude with corporate news. Twitter's CTO Adam Messenger announcing he is leaving the company after 5 years, while Amazon, hit by a strike at its German warehouses in a dispute over both pay and working conditions. The strike scheduled to run until December 24th, Christmas Eve. And with that steady kick back, relax, New York City, stay warm. It's not as bad as it has been the past couple days, but it's still cold. It's also the first day of winter, and the holiday season is officially here. Go out there, get your gifts. Don't wait until Saturday the 24th. And if you're in Germany, stay away from Amazon, I guess. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.